Hello and welcome to this quick guide. In today's video, we'll show you how to block fingerprinting in the Brave browser on mobile. Fingerprinting is a tracking method used to identify and monitor users online. Blocking it can improve your privacy and protect your digital footprint. Let's begin. Open the Brave browser on your mobile device. Next, tap the three-dot menu located in the bottom right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Then scroll down and tap on Brave Shields and Privacy. Now, continue scrolling until you see the option labeled Block Fingerprinting. Finally, turn this option on to enable fingerprinting protection. By doing this, Brave will attempt to block websites from using fingerprinting techniques to track you. Thanks for watching. Make sure to protect your privacy whenever you browse the web. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more privacy tips and tutorials.